Unlocking the doors to a brighter future begins with a simple yet profound question. What is financial empowerment and why it's such a game changer? Let's dive in and unravel this concept that's been reshaping the way we handle our hard-earned cash. Financial empowerment. It's a term you've probably heard thrown around, but what does it actually mean? Well, at its core, financial empowerment is about gaining control. It's about understanding your financial landscape, making informed decisions, and confidently navigating your way to financial independence. Imagine being in the driver's seat of your financial journey, with a clear roadmap and full control of the wheel. That's financial empowerment. It's not just about having money, but also understanding how to harness its power. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. In our day-to-day lives, we deal with a whole lot of financial decisions. From figuring out how to pay off student loans to deciding whether it's the right time to invest in a house or start a retirement fund. These decisions can be overwhelming, and often we find ourselves wishing we had a better grasp of our financial situation. That's where financial empowerment comes into play. Financial empowerment equips you with the knowledge and skills to make smarter financial decisions. It allows you to take charge of your financial future, steering clear of financial stress and uncertainty. It's a powerful tool that enables you to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. It paves the way to financial independence, allowing you to live the life you've always dreamed of. Whether that's traveling the world, starting your own business, or simply having the peace of mind knowing you're financially secure. But how does one become financially empowered? What steps can you take to gain this financial control? And what role does financial literacy play in this journey? Well, the answers to these questions and more will be revealed as we delve deeper into this series. We'll be exploring everything from understanding financial literacy to harnessing the power of savings and how to make your money work for you. So buckle up and get ready for an enlightening journey into the world of financial empowerment. Stay tuned as we unravel the world of financial empowerment. Financial empowerment begins with understanding financial literacy. Think of financial literacy as your financial ABCs, the fundamental building blocks that set the groundwork for your financial journey. It's about grasping the basics of money management, budgeting, investments, and personal finance. Let's start with money management. It's more than just making ends meet. It's about understanding where your money is going and how you can control it. It's about making informed decisions on spending, saving, and investing. It's about being able to plan for the future, whether it's for a dream vacation, a new car, or your retirement. Next, we have budgeting. Simply put, a budget is a plan for your money. It's a tool that helps you prioritize your spending and manage your money, no matter how much or how little you have. It's about distinguishing between needs and wants. It's about making choices today that will help you reach your financial goals tomorrow. Now, let's talk about investments. Investments are about making your money work for you. It's about putting your money into assets that can generate income or grow in value over time. It's about understanding the risks involved and making informed decisions. It's about building wealth and achieving financial security. And lastly, personal finance. This encompasses all the above and more. It's about managing your money, your investments, and your overall financial situation. It's about setting financial goals and working towards them. It's about understanding your financial health and making conscious decisions to improve it. But why is financial literacy important? Knowledge is power, and in this case, financial knowledge is financial power. It's the key to making smart money decisions that will pay off over time. It's the ticket to a life of financial stability and freedom. Remember, financial literacy isn't about being a Wall Street whiz or a financial guru. It's about understanding the basics and making informed decisions. It's about taking control of your money instead of letting your money control you. Financial literacy is the first step towards financial empowerment. Savings. It's more than just stashing away money. Imagine you're on a boat in the middle of the ocean. The water is calm, the sky is clear, and you're at peace. Suddenly, a storm brews. Your boat starts to rock, and you're in danger of capsizing. Now, wouldn't you feel safer if you had a life jacket? That's what savings are in the financial world, your life jacket during a storm. Savings provide a safety net, a buffer against unexpected expenses or sudden loss of income. Whether it's an unforeseen medical bill, an urgent car repair, or a sudden job loss, having savings can keep you afloat. It's not about anticipating the worst, but being prepared for the unexpected. This is why financial experts often advise having an emergency fund, typically 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. But savings aren't just for emergencies. They're also your ticket to achieving financial goals. Want to buy a house? Start a business? Go on that dream vacation? Savings can make these dreams a reality without the need to borrow or plunge into debt. By setting aside a portion of your income regularly, you're essentially paying your future self. And here's the best part: savings can lead to financial independence. It's that sweet spot where you're no longer living paycheck to paycheck, where you have the freedom to make choices that aren't dictated by immediate financial constraints. It's about having the flexibility to switch careers, pursue a passion, or even retire early. So how do you start saving? Start small. Even if it's just a few dollars a week, those small amounts can add up over time. Make it a habit. Incorporate it into your budget, automate it if you can, and watch your savings grow. The power of savings is immense. It's not just about the money, but the peace of mind, the freedom, and the opportunities it brings. It's about being in control of your financial future and not at the mercy of circumstances. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Investments. It's not just for the wealthy. It's a common misconception that you need a six-figure salary to start investing. But the truth is, investing is for everyone, and it's one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth. Whether you have $50 or $50,000, your money can and should be put to work. Imagine your money as an army of dollar bills. Each one has a job to do, and that job is to go out and recruit more dollar bills. That's essentially what investing is. It's sending your money out into the world to bring back more money. And the more soldiers you have, the stronger your financial army becomes. Let's break it down. There are several types of investments, each with its own risks and rewards. You may have heard of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. These are all vehicles that can help your money grow over time. Stocks allow you to own a small piece of a company and share in its profits. Bonds are like loans you give to the government or a corporation, and they pay you interest in return. Mutual funds are a mix of stocks and bonds managed by professionals. But don't forget about other forms of investments like real estate, or even investing in your own education or business. These can also provide substantial returns and help diversify your investment portfolio. And the best part? These investments can provide a passive income. This means income that you earn without having to actively work for it. It's your money doing the heavy lifting, not you. The key to successful investing is to start early and be consistent. Thanks to the power of compound interest, even small investments can grow into substantial sums over time. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building wealth slowly and steadily. Remember, every investment carries some level of risk. But with careful planning, research, and diversification, you can manage these risks and make your money work for you. Investments are the key to a financially empowered future. Financial empowerment. It's within your reach. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've covered so far. We've talked about understanding financial literacy, the power of savings, and how to make your money work for you. But what does it all boil down to? It's about empowerment. Financial empowerment. This isn't just about having money in the bank. No, it's about having the knowledge and skills to make intelligent, informed decisions about your money. It's about having the confidence to navigate the financial world and the power to take control of your financial destiny. Remember, financial empowerment starts with financial literacy. It's about understanding the basics: how to budget, how to save, how to invest. But it doesn't stop there. Financial empowerment means going beyond the basics and delving into the intricacies of financial management. Then, there's the power of savings. This isn't just about stashing away money for a rainy day. This is about preparing for the future, about building a safety net, about creating opportunities for yourself and your family, and of course, making your money work for you. This is about not just earning money, but growing your money. It's about making smart investments and letting your money multiply. So, where do you start? You start where you are, with what you have. You start by learning, by asking questions, by seeking advice. You start by setting goals and making plans. You start by taking action. Remember, financial empowerment isn't a destination, it's a journey, and it's a journey that's within your reach. So take that first step. Start learning, start saving, start investing, start making your money work for you. Start making informed decisions. Start taking control of your financial destiny. Start your journey towards financial empowerment today. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on your financial future.